The bathroom looks beautiful. Sofitel Hotel. Oh, that's concierge area. Wow, look beautiful. Sofitel Hotel. Look at concierge area. Wow. Looks nice. It's got a sitting area. Sure. So I got room 21 floor. So good. So 11:15 I got my room. Sofitel Hotel. It's very good. And customer service is excellent, I would say. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms. Oh, 4 lift. What I'm saying, beautiful lift. So 21 floor. There you go. Going to scan card. Ah, yes. So you need to scan card, then the button to take you the lift. 21 floor must be really good view. So my room number is 120. There's a guy on BTS took picture of my t-shirt. He loved. I think it's a Ron. I forgot his name. Sorry. So 21. So no 120. Ah, that's the one. So that's. Wow. I think the room I booked is luxury king room. And how I got this room, I am a Accor Silver membership, which I got through Amex Platinum card. And I get a complimentary 1 night a year. So under the Accor, they got Sofitel, Novotel, Pullman, Ibis, and a bunch of other. And this is in Bangkok. So I booked Sofitel Bangkok, which is near Asok BTS. And the room is amazing. I don't think I ever booked that luxury hotel. So this is the first time. Let's check out the room. I'm super excited. So that looks like a shower area. Let's check the shower area. Oh no, that's a bathroom. So you got separate bathroom. Is it Japanese style? No, it's just normal. And this is the shower area. Small but nice. And the rain shower. Wow, look at that. The hand wash, shampoo, conditioner is by Karl Lagerfeld, I think. Yeah, Paris. Is that the same guy? Ah, I forgot. Anyway. And this is the normal area where you get in here. Hand lotion, normal shower cap, cotton bath, dental hygiene, soap, beautiful soap. Oh, smell nice. And you get complimentary water. Obviously big mirror I think you can do TikTok on this. And there's a smaller one mirror, and what is that? Hand and body wash everywhere. So there's more. And it's a mirror and the see-through. So you can have a shower. You can take a bath, and also you can see through. I think you can put the curtain down. There must be somewhere to put the curtain down. Be somewhere. So that's what else in here. More hand towel. Nothing here. Oh, hair dryer. What else? Nothing here. More hand towel. Oh, beautiful. Love it. Look at how big the mirror is. The full size. And you get to bathrobe, iron, which I needed. Shoe horn, shoe brush. The two complimentary Sofitel sandal. And what is that? Not sure. Torch, extra pillow. And this is, you can keep your luggage in here, which I did. It's big TV. Oh, I would say 55-inch. There's more water bottle in here. So I think you get 4 complimentary water. You get Dilma, different kind of tea, Nescafe coffee. I think you should have better coffee in here because it's a expensive hotel. What's in here? Wow, you got a wine glass. You get a kettle. And you get, I don't think they're complimentary, so don't touch it. You get a small fridge, which is full of beer, drinks. They're not complimentary, so pay if you drink. And you get a right table, chair. So that's reading area. There's extra sofa in here. Oh, that's interesting. It looks like a bird cage, but not sure. What is it? Welcome, English. Dear Mahmoud. Oh, they got my name in there. Sofitel Hotel. Oh, that's just all information in here. Room. Service media dining. Okay, it's a bed now. That's a huge bed. I'm not sure how. So you can control all the TV channel from this tablet. So yeah, they have NHK. I love NHK World. That's a Japanese channel. I usually watch that one. So oh, it's a oh wow, nice and soft pillow. The bed is big bed. Wow, nice and soft. HQ wall. What's that? Oh, that's not complimentary water. That's 290 baht for that if you wanna drink it. Where's the power? A charging port. Oh, that's the one. Check how many. So it's a beautiful bed. Let's check. So that's USB charging and the normal charging, which is good. So there are enough charging. I'm not sure why the video comes late. Wow, it's a beautiful view. Look at the view this side. Oh, it's a BTS view. So that's BTS Ashok. I got off in there. Nice view, Bangkok. Amazing, amazing hotel. So I checked on Agoda. This room especially costs around $350 to $370 per night. If you're super rich, it's fine. No breakfast. So because my room is complimentary, so no breakfast included. And I asked if I wanna get a breakfast, how much it'd be. She said 883 baht per person, which is, if I convert in Australian dollars, that's $40. But I get 25% discount still. Breakfast is expensive. I mean, obviously it's 5-star hotel. Things are pretty expensive. It's not cheap. So yeah. So I didn't choose breakfast. Yeah. I don't eat much, so if I'm a bit eater, maybe I will get a breakfast, but no. So that's pretty much room. I'll do a bit of what do you call, swimming pool and other things when I get chance. Sofitel Hotel, Bangkok. Customer service is so good. I didn't know they do room service twice a day. Because I went outside yesterday, when I came back at after around 8, and I saw my room was done again. So they do one 6 p.m. and other one they do it early. Because I'm a Accor Silver member. I got an Accor Silver membership, and I went this morning, so 9:30. I went to see if I can extend a little bit the late checkout, and because of I got a silver membership, that's my room number is 2120. Okay, because I got a Silver membership, they extended checkout up to 2 p.m. That's really good. So usually is 12, you need to check out. So 12, 1, 2, they gave me another extra 2 hours late checkout. So I'm really, really happy. Sofitel. It's a beautiful, amazing room. Obviously, it's this morning is undone everything, but yeah, I'm so happy that so I can go to now Chatuchak market and then come back. I went to Raja Wongsi to make a suit yesterday. I need to go and give a trial for the second day. Cost me 18,000 baht for just one piece of suit and the pant. So yeah.